This is a certified pre-owned 2008 BMW 3 Series. Its top features include heated seats, heated side view mirrors, a CD player, heated washer fluid, fog lamps, stability control, and this vehicle has less than 31,000 miles. The BMW inspection process covers everything from safety to performance and general wear. Plus, this BMW is backed by a 6-year, 100,000-mile limited warranty, and it comes with travel protection 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, even if you're not the one driving. This BMW has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Hassel BMW is located at 291 West Sunrise Highway in Freeport. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.